So you are approved to be an Amazon influencer and you have unlocked the ability to start making commissions. So now you want to set up your Amazon storefront. You are going to want to put in your profile or your public name. This can be just as simple as your first name. I go by Shelly L. I would not necessarily put your last name, but it's completely up to you. You certainly can. You just don't want to put anything crazy. You want it to be something that people can identify you as. Um, the about or the profile or the bio, I mean, you can put that's completely optional. You can put something as little as just an average stay-at-home mama sharing her favorite Amazon finds, or a retired school teacher sharing my Amazon finds, or just whatever. You don't have to put anything. You can niche it down if you want to. But unlike your social media account that we used to get you approved, you don't have to be niche specific for your Amazon storefront. You can absolutely review anything under the sun that is sold on Amazon. It can range from, I don't know, car tires all the way to toothpaste. I mean, it does not matter. You do not have to be niche specific. You can be if you choose to be, only review certain things or certain types of things. You certainly can. I don't, because I want all the money for all the reviews that I can do. So just include whatever bio that you want to include. But more importantly, underneath it does say to link your social media profiles. It does say optional, but I would go ahead and do it, because this is where the people will like try to find you to do the brand collaborations. If you decide to put your links elsewhere into a social media site and you have forgotten to include it here in your profile, that will throw a flag and Amazon can shut your account down for that. So just to be on the safe side, I would go ahead and link any social media profile that you have here in your storefront. And your storefront doesn't have to be crazy. You don't have to spend a lot of time on it. This one right here does extremely well and it's so simple. So I recommend just keeping it simple. They just have a plain background with just some letters on it. We tried it, easy peasy. It lets people know what they do with their short little bio. So just keep it simple. Just don't overthink it.